We know car exhaust is bad for the environment, but did you know that there are 4 other sources of pollutants coming from a car? Almost 2,000 times more pollution is produced by tire wear than is pumped out from the exhaust. Tests have revealed that tires release more than 1 trillion ultrafine plastic particles called microplastics for each mile driven. These carcinogenic particles are of special concern to our health. Because of their small size, they can enter organs via the bloodstream, increasing the risk of cancer. Tires are also one of the largest contributors to ocean pollution, leading to water contamination and the death of aquatic animals. About 28% of microplastics in the ocean come from tires and have been found in remote places such as the Arctic. Tires have not evolved in decades and consist of over 80% synthetic materials that don't decompose over time. The current synthetic tires contain butadiene, a molecule traditionally made from fossil carbon sources, petroleum or natural gas. Every time a car brakes, it creates friction, wearing down a tire and releasing these harmful particles. With more cars on the road and the weight of cars increasing, tires are having a larger negative impact. Creating an eco-friendly alternative is the driving force behind Ecotread. Ecotread is addressing the problem through the creation of an eco-friendly tire and a fly trap mechanism. Our Ecotread tires are made of sustainable material that have been engineered to be more durable than regular tires. Ecotread uses a sustainable replacement of butadiene called biobutadiene, made from bioethanol. Our process is based on the PNNL method, which works by ripping hydrogen off the ethanol molecules, creating acetaldehyde. Carbon-to-carbon bonds form, producing crotonaldehyde, which is then converted to crotyl alcohol. The alcohol undergoes dehydration, resulting in biobutadiene. The second component of the Ecotread system addresses the particles all tires expel. It consists of a small grill of tiny holes with a sticky, waterproof glue inside for the particles to adhere to, plus a collector underneath to catch any particles that don't stick. Together, the new eco-friendly tire and the fly trap will capture over 90% of the particulates expelled by cars driving on the Ecotread tire. The Ecotread tire will have a $500 starting price point for consumers, but we plan to reduce the cost to $300, the average cost of high-performance tires. We intend to do this by adopting the PNNL method, an existing technology, but not one being used for tire production. As sales grow, we can buy production materials in bulk and build our own manufacturing plants to produce the raw materials. The second component, the fly trap, can be changed by the consumer or every time the car goes into a mechanic shop for an oil change, similar to how the air filter is changed. We anticipate 2 filter changes a year at a cost of $20 each time to the consumer, creating a consistent revenue stream. We are assuming we will be 0.01% of the total tire market in year 1, selling 33,500 tires and fly traps for a profit of $18,090,000 and a profit margin of 15%. This results in revenue of $2,713,500 in year 1. Over time, the cost of the tires come down and the percent of market share and revenue increase as we expand into a wider market. We see electric vehicle buyers as our Tier 1 target market. They are environmentally conscious and willing to pay a premium for it. Electric vehicles typically cost $10,000 more than a gas-powered car. We can market the system directly to consumers, and we will also partner with car manufacturers to create an eco-friendly package option that includes the Ecotread tire and fly trap. Next, we will expand our market and appeal to Tier 2, car owners who cannot afford an EV. We will work with the federal government to create a tax credit for a financial incentive to upgrade the existing vehicles with the Ecotread system. Long term, we will expand into the commercial sectors, Tier 3, including long-haul trucking services through similar tax credits. Ecotread eliminates the need for unsustainable and harmful materials that don't biodegrade, pollute the environment, and pose a substantial risk to human health. This is accomplished through reducing the risk of butadiene in tires and reducing the amount of particles that enter the environment by 90%. We are working to raise the standards for tires and raise awareness about the impact of current tires. Ecotread is first to market, creating a blue ocean opportunity to introduce a new market category. With cutting-edge advancements in technology and a mission to curb pollution and have a positive impact on the environment and human health, Ecotread is rolling in to a greener future.